Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. In case you're new here, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all our updates. So, for those who do not know, we have an online store which is www.naughtythreads.com where most of the jewelry making material, RE work supplies, and kuchu material is available. So, all you have to do is create a new user account, choose your products, add to cart, and then check out. You will have both the options, cash on delivery as well as prepaid option. So in today's video, we'll see the top 10 or top products that are required for RE work. We'll start off with the needle. So these needles are available on our website. For RE work, we generally use two different types of needle. One is needle number 14 and the other one is either needle number 23 or 24. 23 or 24 is slightly thinner when compared to 14 and is usually used for Zardosi. Next up is this zari. Zari is also available in different colors starting from gold, silver, copper and colorful zari like green, red and blue and black as well. So right now you might see a few products missing or few products out of stock, that is due to lockdown. Uh, Due to lockdown, refilling stock, there is slightly little delay in refilling, so you will have to bear with us. But otherwise, most of the products are available, so do take a look. So the next product is Zardosi, which is very important when it comes to RE work. These are also available in different colors like this: black, pink, green, gold, copper, silver, and red. So you guys have to take a look to understand what all material are available in which colors. So online shopping is a lifesaver, keeping in mind the situation going around right now. So, in case you place orders, the products will be delivered to your doorstep in less than 5 business days, and in some cases, it might take a little longer in case your PIN code belongs to the red zone area. So, this will actually save you guys from going out and shopping and having that fear of catching corona. So make use of this situation and place your orders. In case you're having trouble placing the order, you can reach out to us on the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description box. So these are the different types of Zardosi, and with Zardosi you will have to use either needle number 23 or 24. So there are different products as well. I have just added the most important products that are used in RE work. There is a different category altogether on naughtythreads.com. So just click and expand that and you will see all the Ari work related material. So these are called as sugar beads. Again, these are available in different colors. Right now we have only this size, but very soon we will be adding more products. So these are available in violet, yellow, orange, pink, blue, gold, white and silver, and even pearls like off-white color. So even with these beads, needle number 23 or 24 has to be used. Because of the size, the hole is very small and sometimes needle number 14 might not pass through these beads. So mostly we use only gold color while working on the blouses, but of late, because of different colors available, we have started using them in the blouses as well. So next up is these mirrors. These are available in diamond shape, round shape and eye shape. These are also very important when it comes to RE work and normal hand embroidery. Generally we use them to do mirror work. There are no holes. These are just used along with glue. You will have to stick it using fabric glue, let it dry, and then you can either work on the mirror or around the mirror to form a beautiful butta. So I will try and link some basic RE work video tutorials wherein I have clearly explained how to do basic chain stitch, how to knot and how to add beads. So do check out the I button. These are called as katdana in our local language, but in English we call them as bugle beads. These are available in different sizes. I think right now we have around 3 sizes on our website, but we will try to add as many products as possible in the coming days. So these are also available in different colors like black, pink, green, red, gold and silver. So these are also used in RE work, but uh, we cannot guarantee the color of these beads. After a few years, they tend to lose color. I'm being very honest. But mostly in the blouses, gold and silver color is used, and this is the other size, which is slightly bigger than the previous size. So generally, in case you want to ask them in the local market, then you'll have to call it as kaddana, because if you ask for bugle beads, then they wouldn't know what it is. And this is the other size, which are long. These are also used in sari kuchu, latkans, as well as ari work. Uh, these look really beautiful when added to the dupatta edges and even around the neckline. These are slightly long, about an inch long. The next important thing is silk thread. We have different colors in silk thread, and we have Raj brand, which is very good quality and it has a very good shine when compared to other brands. The next product is the stone chain, which is very important in RE work, but most oftenly I don't use the stone chain because it does not have, it tends to damage the blouse or the sari. So that is the reason I keep it very less. Apart from this, you can use jharkans if you want. So these are called gota patti. These are cut in different sizes and shapes. So even these can be used instead of mirrors, because mirrors tend to break, and plastic foils, in case used instead of mirrors, they tend to melt when you iron the uh, blouse or costume. So that is why we use this gota patti, which has a longer life. Now these are ready-made RE latkans. Most of you work around on the blouse, but sometimes it is too tedious to work the latkan as well. In such cases, you can use these ready-made latkans. So these are the few products that I wanted to show you guys, which are important for RE work making. So that's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care. Bye bye.